Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning.
Yo! Alright, so we are cruising in Kona right now. This is Nick, if y'all don't know. Yeah, we are here for the next few days with Hyundai. They just launched their new Kona car, really compact CV. Yeah, so we are here in Kona, experience the Kona firsthand, and we're just getting as Kona'd out as possible. All right, we are making a little pit stop. We're just driving along the road, and as one does in Hawaii, come across some casual waterfalls, literally on the side of a highway. Every time a car comes by, this bridge wobbles just a little bit. It's a little unsettling. This looks fake, Nick.
I think it is. It's green screen.
It's the greenest screen.
Nature's green screen.
And it's raining a little bit, and my camera is wet. Hopping back in the Kona. I'm gonna grab some grub. Alright, so since it's raining, this is actually a great point. But these cars come with auto windshield wipers, and they literally go slower or faster, just depending on the rainfall, and they can sense that somehow. It's kind of crazy. Isn't it crazy?
It's crazy.
With the Palms Cliff Inn. Ah, some familiar faces. We've got quite a spread of some Hawaiian favorites.
That's right.
Amazing, thank you so much.
And here you are.
Cool, thanks.
Thank you.
Look at us. Cheers, cheers. These are massive. Ay, ay, ay. So it is about 6:30 and we are heading out early this morning to go snorkeling on the south side of Kona. By the way, we're staying at the Mauna Kea. How beautiful is this? A buddy of mine just said the last time he was here, he saw dolphins. So we are hoping and crossing our fingers that we get to see some dolphins while we're out there. We will be taking our Kona about an hour south to the snorkeling area. So the snorkeling boat is got a full bar. It's got a full bar. And a casual slide. For the kids and probably for us too. Alright, so we just pulled up and anchored in this little bay and about to go snorkeling with some of our new best friends. Only in Hawaii does a wild turtle come up at the beach. So we were droning and looking up at the drone and seeing the footage, and we didn't even realize 5 feet in front of us a turtle had come up. A huge sea turtle had come up and just beach itself. So crazy. All right, Nick, what are we doing right now?
We are looking for North Shore Goodies peanut butter, which is the best peanut butter on the planet, and they only sell it in Hawaii. My roommate and I buy it online from the retailer and like ship it to us, but now that I'm here, I don't pay for shipping. Here it is.
Oh my gosh.
North Shore Goodies peanut butter, which sucks because like this little baby size is $10, but like it's genuinely worth it.
Caught.
I'm so excited.
Just left the store and also got 3 bottles of the coconut peanut butter.
This is the only reason to come to Hawaii. Like this is why I was so excited about the trip.
All right, so that is a wrap here in Hawaii with Hyundai. Getting to drive their Konas in Kona and test out their new cars has been pretty rad. We definitely went all over with these things and tested them to the limits, going around through lava rock and to the beaches. It was pretty cool to see them literally in their element. Look at that handsome crew behind me. My friend Nick has some final parting words that he's been preparing, so let's see what he's got to say.
What can I say about the Kona? We got the Kona region, we got Kona coffee, we got the Kona car, we got Kona
We got
beer.
what? We got what?
We got
Some Kona.
we got some North Shore Goodies peanut butter, not sponsored, but it should be.
But it might as well be.
But we're not above it.
Really sad to leave Hawaii, but it's been awesome. So thanks so much for having us, Hyundai, and we'll see you next time.